Hi there, everyone. Welcome to both the Uke Playlongs channel on YouTube and the Uke Stuff channel on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you a new tool that's available on my website that will help you find songs, the playlong videos that match the chords you know. A few years ago, a fellow by the name of Joe Weiss took my database, which is just a Google spreadsheet that I've gone through and written down all the songs and the links and the chords that are used, and he made a searchable index of that. The only problem is updating that with Joe to keep that current. So what I did is I sat down with ChatGPT, and over a few days, probably a few hours of code writing, told ChatGPT what I wanted it to create, and it created an HTML program and actually even encouraged ways to debug it and where to host it. So I want to show you where that is. So here is the ukestuff website. Again, if you go to ukestuff.info, it's also at ukestuff.wordpress.com, just in case I ever lose the private URL that's linked to ukestuff.info. And if you go into the drop-down menu of play-along info like this, you'll see the uke play-along search. Just touch that. That's going to bring up this page at codepen.io. And let's say, for example, you only know how to play C, F, and G. I choose those and I choose find matching songs. That gives me 37 songs. And if you'll notice, it's only songs with C, F, and G. Now, if you want songs with just C, you have to search again and limit it that way. I thought about letting it be all chords that contains, so would have songs with just C, songs with C and G, C and F, and C, F, and G. But the end result list is so long. And let me just show you just what happens naturally. So if I choose C, G, F, and A minor, and I find matching songs, there's 110 songs to choose from, and these are all links to a YouTube video and of different creators. Myself, Ukulele Wales, Andy Ramos, Dr. Jill Reese, and so on. So this gives you access to everything in the current list that's also hosted on my website. So I'm going to go backwards to that. I also want to show that to you. If you go to play along info, so if you go down and look at video play along indices, you can actually choose the indexes there. So you can see that you can access GCA playlongs by title, you can look at baritone, and then the other thing that is here is if you look, if you want to see just the videos that I have created for the Uke Playlongs channel, you can just choose that option. And truthfully, this is misnamed because future versions will also have the baritone right in the same one as well. So this will change in its appearance a little bit. But the tool that I really wanted to show off today was this ability to look at play along info and do the search for chords that you can know and then songs that you can play. So for example, there are no songs with C, F, A minor, D, and E minor, but you can mess around with it. Here's C, G, F, A minor, D, and E minor, and you can do Dumb Ways to Die, Fireflies, Lover, Whatever It Takes, and Why Does My Heart Feel So Bad. One other thing I wanted to point out is that if you look, there are 3 Whatever It Takes. That's because more than one creator has made it in the list. So there are all separate videos there linked to different versions, and you can find the one that you like best. All right, thanks so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with either some more play alongs or some more uke stuff for you.